This video is from 11th October 2020. Truth is God. Nature is the truth means nature is the God. Masanobu Fukuoka says that organic farming is the closest way to God. The improvement of soil texture and the spiritual upliftment of man while doing natural farming are one and the same. I, Vasudev Bhaskar Gaikwad, have been trying to practice natural farming using the Fukuoka method for the past 20 years. The journey of human being started from food is medicine, and food is medicine has reached here as medicine is food. I cultivate on the principle that I will eat nectarine food and give nectarine food to others. I do farming according to Fukuoka's method of farming without effort. The basic 4 principles of this farming system are no tillage, no weeding, no spraying and no chemicals. This is our custard apple plot. This land has been cultivated with this technique for the last 20 years. Since the purchase of this land, except for sellable agricultural produce, all the mulch, tree branches and other things have been put back in this land. This field used to be a vineyard. After pruning, all the sticks were dumped here, and when the orchard was removed, all the tree trunks were dumped here by cutting them into small pieces. Then there was a failed attempt to grow pomegranates naturally in this field. Pomegranate stalks are also crushed like grapes and returned to this land. At present, only water and sugarcane leaves are brought from outside for mulch. It is expected that soon this custard apple plot will be productive only on rainwater without bringing anything from outside. We usually have about 12,000 foot candle light sunlight. 4,000 feet of candle light sunlight will be absorbed by the neem tree. 4,000 foot candle light of sunlight will be absorbed by custard apple trees, and remaining 4,000 foot candle light of sunlight will be absorbed by these grasses. Whatever biomass is produced by absorbing the sunlight and disposed of here, the soil organic carbon will go up to 4%, and the best and best crops will grow on rainwater only. This year these custard apple trees bore few fruits. Their taste was very sweet and the seed size was smaller compared to other custard apples, and the pulp was 50% more. This is the miracle of all natural farming. A marketable produce is expected from next year. Here we can see the cover of sugarcane leaves. This mulch will help retain moisture in the soil. Here we can see the trunk of an old pomegranate. There are around 500 neem trees in this custard apple garden. Here we can see that the white bubble is largely grown. This will help in nitrogen fixing in soil. Here we can see that even in such a dense thicket, the custard apple trees are growing well. Bubble trees are cut and dumped here. This is my second custard apple plot. There used to be a vineyard here too. We can see the old structure of the vineyard here. Like that custard apple garden, here too the old vines have been cut into fine pieces. Despite the crowding of these other trees, grasses and other vines, the custard apple is growing well. Here we can see that one custard apple weighs around 300 to 400 grams. Some such fruits were produced this year. I have noticed that custard apple is a suitable crop in our area for natural farming, and I hope that in the coming time this garden will be fully dependent on rainwater and will produce good yield. I nurture every plant that grows in my field as a gift from the God. As long as these plants don't bother us, we let them grow well and when they do, we cut them down and put them here. This helps increase soil organic carbon. The garden is productive even though there is a forest of grasses and other trees everywhere.